Voting process for PWD voter, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Please show your voter identity card, photo voter slip to P.O.1 in case there is some discrepancy in photograph or elector's detail. Please show any alternative document prescribed by ECI. P.O.1 will then call out your name and serial number. Step 2. Now proceed to the second polling officer, P.O.2. A. P.O.2 will mark your left forefinger with the indelible ink. B. P.O.2 will record your serial number of electoral roll in the Register of Voters, 17A. C. Then you have to sign in the appropriate column of the Register of Voters. If a voter cannot sign, his/her thumb impression will be obtained. D. P.O.2 will then give you a signed voter slip, which you have to give to polling officer 3. Step 3. You will then proceed to the third polling officer, P.O.3, who will A. Inspect your left forefinger to ensure indelible ink is applied. B. Take back the voter slip issued to you by P.O.2. C. Activate the control unit and send you to voting compartment. Step 4. Inside the voting compartment, you are to press the blue candidate button on the balloting unit against the name and symbol of the candidate of your choice. You may press none of the above, nota, last button of electronic voting machine, if you so desire. Press the button only once. When the button is pressed, the red lamp will glow against the name and symbol of that candidate, or nota if you have pressed that. Voting machine will give a long beep sound to indicate that your vote has been recorded. Your vote has been cast. Please leave the booth from the exit side. Created by Himanshu Sampura and Shlok Sampura.